In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide hidden groups in Notion. If your database has multiple categories, statuses, or sections, it can sometimes feel cluttered. Learning how to hide groups gives you a cleaner, more focused workspace while keeping all your data intact. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to manage which groups are visible, helping you stay organized and efficient. To start, open the Notion page containing your database. Whether you're using a board view, table view, or any view that supports grouping, you'll notice the groups displayed either across the top or along the side. These groups help categorize your items, but sometimes you may not want to see everything at once. To adjust the layout, hover over your database's title and click on Database Settings. This is your control center for managing how the database looks and behaves. Inside the settings, locate the option to Group By. Click it, and you'll see a list of properties you can use for grouping your data. Select the property depending on how you prefer. Once selected, Notion will automatically organize all your items under the corresponding headings. This makes it easy to visually separate tasks, notes, or projects into neat, distinct categories. Now here's the key step. Move your mouse to the right side of any group's name, and you'll see a small eye icon. This icon indicates that the group is currently visible. Clicking the eye icon immediately hides that group from your view. For example, you might hide archived tasks or temporarily remove on-hold items while working. This action does not delete any content or alter the underlying property. It simply removes the group from your current workspace. Think of it as putting items aside on your desk, out of sight but easily accessible when needed. If you want an even cleaner workspace, Notion also lets you hide all groups at once. Look for the option near the group headings, which may say Hide All or show multiple eye icons. Clicking this creates a blank canvas, only showing groups when you decide to bring them back. This uncluttered view can improve focus and productivity, especially when sharing your database with a team or reviewing key information quickly. And that's it. Hiding groups in Notion is a flexible, powerful way to keep your workspace organized without losing any data. If any part of your workspace updates slowly, don't worry. Notion may take a moment to reflect changes, and you can always reshow groups by clicking the eye icon again. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.